Number one, my fingers are facing down towards the ground. So I've turned my elbow out as much as possible. And generally speaking, I'm trying to bring my chest through. So at arrow 2 and arrow 3, I feel an incredible stretch. So in my world, this is a way of really feeling a stretch in that middle and lower lat, kind of number 2 and number 3. Here I'm kind of going through a number of different moves, but the mechanics of the top arm is the same. Internally rotating the top arm, so my fingers are going towards the floor and my elbows going towards the ceiling. In this move, it's a little bit different, but generally speaking, I'm trying to bring my chest under and through towards the wall in front of me. So I feel an incredible stretch through that middle and lower lat. So here I'm letting this K-box really pull me forward. So I get this, it's just an incredible stretch. So for me, these movements are set up against the wall, turning my pelvis towards the side of the arm that's up to feel the middle and lower lat stretch, open, and feel stronger.